So, this is my Room Essentials Fan taken apart. I know I didn't show you how I took it apart, but this is it apart. There's one piece of it. There's that. There's that. What's that? What I need to help is, I took this off, but what my problem is I can't get this off to pop this cover off and fix the motor. See how I still have it loose? I can get this off with the screws, but it's just a problem that I can't get this stupid thing off. So, I'm going to show you how to assemble it right now. Okay, make sure you get this on correctly, like this. You gotta get it like this. Make sure your lips are like that. Then get your piece like this and put it in. Look at the, oh shoot. Look at the tighten way and put it on and tighten it correctly. Okay, then that's in. Your second thing you want to do. See how that's like that? Now this is like that. If you don't put it on correctly, your blade's jammed. So you go like this, and it's on. Now, what I like to do, I put this on, or sometimes I spin the blade. But or you can do it like this, or spin the blade. I'll prefer I like spinning the blade and then tightening it.
That's the back screw.
Now you put this on. Push these in. What I'm missing right now is that I have to put the back screw on. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Okay. Okay, you gotta get this in the lip right there. Wait, right there, right there, right there. Right there, right there, right there. And then you put your screwdriver in and twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And that is how you assemble this Room Essentials fan. Now I'm going to show you. Oh, there's one last piece. The cap. If you're missing the cap, where did I put my cap? That's my cap. Not here. Hello. Burn. Wait. Have you seen the cap? Aha! Make sure, don't lose this cap. You won't be able to use your fan again without this cap. We have to
Your cat was making a weird. Your cat was
in and like literally turn this.
Your cat was making a weird noise.
Okay, that's on. Now I'm gonna plug it in and show you it works. I'm gonna show you all 4 speeds. You know, all 3. Speed 1. You can also higher it and lower it too. I know it wasn't in my other reviews. That's low. Medium. I know it sounds very off balance. Now I'm going to put it on turn mode. I'm guessing it turns about 80-degree angle. I'm guessing. That's my Room Essentials fan of how to assemble it. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.